Hi everybody, my name is Aristoteles and I'm the creator of Snappy VPS. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to configure your VPS in under 20 minutes. First of all, we need Snappy VPS. We extract it on our machine and we open the VPS user guide. Okay, here we need to go to the VPS creation section. The first file we need to configure is initial server setup.sh. We can find this file in the root folder of Snappy VPS. Basically, we need to change the username to what we want it to be. This will be the administrative user for your VPS. It's important to know that we shouldn't use root or admin for this username. Next, we need to go to the section on VPS droplet creation, and to do that we need a service like digitalocean.com, and here we create a new droplet. We follow the guide, choose a data center region, and here is where we paste the file we just prepared. We just copy and paste it here. We should prepare our SSH keys from before, following the guide, and before we click create, we have to give it a name. This is usually going to be a name that you've already purchased. I'm going to use testvps.com and give it a prefix of ns1. Once everything's ready, we click create. The droplet is now ready. What we need to do now is configure our new droplet. To do that, we have to modify the install.sh script to our specifications. We can find the script in the Snappy VPS subfolder. These are the parameters we need to configure. Most importantly, we need to specify the same administrative username we provided in the previous script. Also, we should provide the main domain as we have purchased it. In this case, testvps.com. Do not forget to provide some passwords for your database. More details can be found in the user guide. When you're ready, save the file. Now we need to upload this Snappy VPS subfolder to the server, specifically to the home folder of the administrative user, in this case to Joe's home. If you're using Windows, you need to convert all the files in this subfolder to Unix format before transferring them. For this reason, Snappy VPS includes a utility called P4T, or Prepare for Transfer. It will convert all files to Unix and zip the whole folder. If you provide it with your VPS details, it can also transport the zip archive to the server. Now it's converting the files to Unix format, it zipped the file. Okay, and of course, if you're on a Unix machine, you do not need to convert to Unix. In this case, just zip the Snappy VPS subfolder and upload it. To transfer the file, we need to connect to the VPS first. To do that, we use PuTTY, and we give it the new IP address. We save it and we connect. Because the VPS is a new machine, we're given a security alert. We just have to accept that. And we log in with our username, the administrative username we specified, and the passphrase of our private key. Okay, first time we connect, we will be asked to provide a new administrative password. Okay, and we connect a second time. To transfer the file, we can use a utility like WinSCP. Here we create a new connection with our new IP address. We save it and we click login. Again, we will see the same warning as before. Because it's a new VPS or a rebuilt VPS, we provide our passphrase and connect. Now we can just transfer our file. All we need to do now is issue the commands that start the configuration. The first command unzips our archive, and the second command starts Snappy VPS. This should take about 20 minutes. What Snappy VPS does during this procedure is listed here. After Snappy VPS has finished configuring your droplet, we should log in to webmin. To do that, we should copy our droplet's IP address and paste it in a browser using the HTTPS protocol and port 10,000, which is the port for webmin and virtualmin. Log in using the administrative username and password you have specified. And there you go. Now we can continue with our post-installation tasks. You should not forget to set up your main domain as a virtual server in virtualmin, and if you have any domains that need migration, you can use the included migration script. For more details, follow the Snappy VPS user guide. What we have done in this presentation is I have shown you how to easily create your new droplet. We have modified our install.sh installation script. We converted to Unix and zipped the Snappy VPS folder. We logged into the VPS with PuTTY for the first time and created our new password. we transferred the Snappy VPS zip file to the VPS with WinSCP, and we started the Snappy VPS installation procedure. I created Snappy VPS so that you too can easily create and configure your VPS in under 20 minutes. I hope you found this presentation useful, and thank you for watching.